Thank you, Kate, for that really warm welcome. Hi, guys. I'm so excited to be here and to share with you how I ended up in this crazy field of engineering. But to begin with, I want to know what you think about engineers. Can somebody tell me what adjectives would you use to describe an engineer? Shout them out. Awesome. What was that? Intelligent. And I heard something here. Hardworking, creative. That's excellent. These are all exactly what engineers are because engineers are normal people like you and me. Now, have you heard that engineering is not just one type of work? There's actually a lot of different types of engineering. What are some that maybe you've heard of? Where's my girl at? Mechanical, yes, working with machines. Thank you. What else? Electrical, yes, working with lights and with computers. And next to you? Hardware, very good, very good. Designing those computers. What about on this side? Right there in pink. Civil engineer, designing buildings and structures. And who else here? They design what? Data, very good, very good. Yeah. Chemical, yes, those mad scientists over there. Yes, and back there I see a hand raised. Software? Perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. So software engineering, okay, one more. Bioengineering, very good, very good. So a lot of design, a lot of different types of work that you can all think about. In fact, I remember somebody was telling me some of you guys may have already started doing engineering. Has anyone designed a website? Yeah, you have? Exactly. That's software engineering right there. What about Minecraft? Anybody play that? You guys design worlds in Minecraft? That's software engineering. You guys are already doing engineering, right? So there's a lot of options for you. And it's not like you pick one and you must stay in it. For instance, I picked electrical engineering as my major in college, and I started my career as an electronics engineer. So I designed humongous missiles that you get to launch, well, we don't get to launch them. The government launches them out of submarines. But today, I'm what they call a packaging engineer, and I design teeny tiny computer chips that go into your cell phones. In fact, I have some in my pocket, so later on, if you want to see them, come find me. But all of this designing work, all this variety, it's very exciting, and I get to work with people from all over the world. But how did I get here? And I'll tell you, I got here because of failure, a whole lot of failure. You see, math and science wasn't natural to me. In fact, in 4th grade, my math tests, I brought C's home all the time. And I didn't know how to change that. I thought maybe math wasn't my thing. Until one day, my teacher asked me to show the whole class how to do the homework problem. Well, the problem with that was last night when I did the problems, I just randomly filled in numbers. I had no idea what I was doing. And now she wants me to show the class? Are you insane, lady? But she asked me to, so I went up to the board. I stared at the problem for a really long time. Sweat was dripping down my face because I didn't know the answer. It was frustrating, it was embarrassing, but I was up there already. And I waited for an eternity. The class was watching me. But you know what? It was at that moment, for some reason, a light bulb went on in my head. Suddenly, I understood what the homework was asking me to do. And I wrote down the answer on the board and sat down. That was it. That was my moment of when I realized, maybe math could be my thing. Now, if you thought at that moment, I realized that engineering could be my career path, you'd be wrong, because in 5th grade, science became my enemy. All my science tests came back with angry D's and F's scribbled across the top. And I thought maybe science wasn't my thing either. I never got a light bulb moment with science. And things went from bad to worse because the following year, I was kicked out of the class. We ran out of chairs. And you'd think that's a pretty easy problem to solve, right? But my school decided that was not the problem they wanted to solve. So I was told that I no longer belonged in an honors class. And that motivated me to try really hard in junior high and high school to prove that I belonged in those classes because of my merit, not because of the number of chairs. And in 7th grade, I was able to get back into honors math. In 8th grade, I got back into honors science. And finally, in 10th grade, honors English. So, if I had given up on math in 4th grade, if I had given up on science in 5th grade, if I had given up when somebody told me that I didn't belong in a high-performance class in 6th grade, all of this engineering that I get to do today wouldn't happen. Because I stuck with math and science, and because I challenged myself, when I applied for college, I got the choice to either pick engineering or not pick engineering. And that's what I want to encourage you today with. Give yourself options by not giving up. Failure is not the fear here. It's just opportunities to learn. I mean, who knows? Monday may be the day that your teacher asks you to go up to the board and explain to the class how to do that one math problem that you have no freaking idea how to do. And it could change your life if you try. And I think you should. So, thank you all.